They told me it wasn't personal. That's the part that broke me. It really wasn't personal, it was just math. Then they asked me to write down everything I knew, to train the thing taking my chair. I said yes. I needed the severance, so I sat there and typed my own obituary. 15 years of showing up, in one cardboard box. The man in the elevator doors already looked like a ghost. Maya didn't say anything when I told her. That was worse than if she'd yelled. Every plan we drew together started erasing itself, one bill at a time. I stopped sleeping. 200 applications. The same auto-reply every time, due to unprecedented applicant volume. I wasn't a person anymore. I was a statistic with a haircut. For the first time in my life, I had no idea what I was for. One night I opened the thing that replaced me, not to use it, to spite it. A blank box just blinking at me, waiting. I typed an idea I'd carried for 6 years, one I could never build, because I always needed a developer. It took 6 minutes. The thing I'd wanted for 6 years took 6 minutes. I laughed out loud. I changed one thing, it listened. I asked for another, it appeared. Nobody approved it. Nobody scoped it. I just made it exist. I stopped trying to write code. I started describing what I wanted like a director, and it built. So I shipped it to the world. The world said nothing. Then a stranger posted a screenshot of my bug with a laughing emoji. It got more likes than my launch. Turns out I made it exist, and anyone wants it are very different sentences. Maya looked at it and said, "Stop building things that are clever. Build the thing I would actually pay for." So I found one small, boring, painful problem that real people had, and I built for them. Just them. Then I stopped doing the work myself. I started directing it, handing pieces to agents like a one-man studio. I went from typing every word to leading a team that never sleeps. And then one night, a sound I'll never forget. $49 from a stranger for something I made alone at my kitchen table. I've never felt richer. Something changed in me that night. I wasn't looking for a job anymore. I was building one. A one-person company, doing the work of 20. I used to be a cog in a machine. Now I am the machine and I own it. One morning I woke up and the whole internet had found me at once. I wasn't surviving anymore. I was flying. Then the email came. "My old company, we'd love to bring you back. Senior role, big number." A year ago that email would have saved my life. I read it twice. Then I closed the laptop and went to make dinner. "You can't fire the founder." A few weeks later a message, "I just got laid off. I saw your story. Where do I start?" It was me, a year ago. So I started to write back, and then I realized I wanted to answer everyone. Because I wasn't the exception. I was the preview. All over the world, people who'd been told they were obsolete were quietly opening that same blank box and beginning. If you're watching this in the dark, scared it's already too late, listen. The fear was real, but it was never the end of your story. It was the first line of the prompt. Unfireable.